Welcome to our video on understanding the benefits of buying a dropshipping store. This beginner's guide will give you valuable insights into the advantages of purchasing a dropshipping store and how it can help you start your own online business. One of the major benefits of buying a dropshipping store is the low startup costs involved. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, with a dropshipping store, you don't need to invest in inventory upfront. This significantly reduces your initial investment and allows you to focus your finances on other aspects of your business such as marketing and advertising. Another advantage of buying a dropshipping store is the wide range of products available. As a dropshipper, you have the flexibility to choose from a vast inventory of products from various suppliers. This means that you can easily test different niches and find the ones that resonate well with your target audience, helping you maximize your profits. With a dropshipping store, you don't have to worry about managing inventory. The suppliers you work with will handle all the storage, packaging, and shipping of the products. This saves you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on marketing, customer service, and growing your business. One of the most exciting benefits of running a dropshipping store is the freedom it gives you in terms of location. As long as you have an internet connection, you can operate your business from anywhere in the world. This flexibility allows you to travel, work remotely, and live a more flexible lifestyle. Buying a dropshipping store opens up opportunities for scalability and growth. As your business grows, you can easily expand your product range, work with more suppliers, and cater to a larger customer base. With the right strategies in place, you can scale your dropshipping business to new heights and achieve significant financial success. In conclusion, buying a dropshipping store comes with numerous benefits that make it an attractive option for beginners looking to start their online business. From low startup costs to location independence and scalability, a dropshipping store provides a unique opportunity to enter the e-commerce world without the complexities of traditional retail business. We hope this guide has shed light on the advantages and motivated you to take the first step towards owning your own dropshipping store.